A data frame is Pandas 2D labeled data structure. Like a spreadsheet or SQL table, it organizes data into named columns and rows, capable of holding mixed data types. Key attributes include shape for dimensions, D types for column types, columns for names, and index for row labels.
Values provides raw data. Methods like head offer quick insights into its content. To create one, import pandas, then use PD. Data frame. You typically provide a Python dictionary where keys are column names and values are lists of data.
The example begins by importing the pandas library, a fundamental tool for data manipulation in Python. It then defines a Python dictionary, data_dict, where each key represents a potential column name and its corresponding value is a list containing the data for that column. This structured dictionary serves as the input for the PD data frame constructor, demonstrating a common and straightforward method for creating a data frame.
Following the creation, the code accesses and prints several core attributes and properties of the employee_df object. Attributes like shape, columns, index, D types, size, NDIM, and empty provide immediate insights into the data frame structure, labels, and underlying data types without needing to inspect the data itself. The info method, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive summary, including non-null counts and memory usage, which is crucial for quick data profiling.
Finally, the values attribute is showcased, illustrating how to retrieve the raw data contained within the data frame as a NumPy array. This attribute is particularly useful when the data needs to be processed using numerical libraries, like NumPy, as it extracts the data matrix without its associated column or index labels, providing a direct representation of the data frame's core numerical or categorical content.